YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks again. And Amazon guy came finally and just delivered some. Going to do a review on this. Some Isotunes Xtra 2.0s. I've really been wanting to get a good set of headphones. I was kind of beating around the bush and wearing a pair of Beats or wearing plug-in ones with earmuffs over it, but wanted to get these because anytime I was on the phone with someone, all they could say they could hear was my heater, a saw. These are supposed to block a lot of that out. So just showing you, I'm opening them right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these on the charger and finish this up later on after they're all charged up. All right, I guess I should show you what we're getting here. So like I said, these are the Isotune Xtras 2.0. So let's open these very carefully. If you guys haven't heard about them yet, I heard about them from, I believe it was April Wilkerson on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked her out before, check out her stuff. She built some amazing stuff, but I see a lot of promotions for it on there, so had to give them a whirl. They sounded really awesome. And of course, I can't get the bloody thing open. They're in some bomb-proof packaging. There we go. Nope. So anyways, open it up. Says, hey, thank you for your order. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. 30-day return policy. 1-year warranty. Gives you some stuff if you want to respond back at what you think of them. Give you a little bag. I can tell they got the little instructions. Kind of going over them. Check that out later. So all little creature features. And voila. Give you a whole bunch. Wow. Looks like there's like 4 or 5 sets in there. Replacement foams for them. Give you the USB charging cord. So yeah, like I said, here they are. I got a little magnet. Hold them together, hang them from places, snap. Boom. Hang them up on your wall. I think April Wilkerson did a really cool video where she did like a mold of her hand where it's like holding the headphones. But yeah, I'm gonna go get these on the charger and we'll check back with you later. All right, so it's later, 10 o'clock. Got a new Fitbit for Christmas. Gotta keep track of stuff. But so on this, you can see there's a little blue light on there. That means it's charged. Red means it's charging. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this thing and kind of go over some of the stuff. All right, so just so you see where I was charging at, charger on this is a little port right here on the side. After you're done, let me get my phone to focus. You can push that back over, and that squeezes back in there. So going back over what we got here. So I said there was a bunch of earbud attachments for this. So there's the ones I already have on here. I think these are kind of like the mid-size ones. And just so you guys know, these things literally just screw on and off. So it's like, let's look at these big ones here. Literally, it's just like plastic threaded. Yeah, you can kind of see the thread in there. They literally just screw on and off. So these are all the versions they give you here. I mean, who knows? I don't know. Maybe I need these huge ones. You got some superb hearing. But they give you, these are all the foam, and then these are all the almost kind of stereotypical earbud, like squeezy, rubbery things. But 3 versions of that. The directions. That's how I was just going over this. So it shows you how to pair it up. Go on your phone, go to settings, go to your Bluetooth, find the thing, it'll find the device. It'll come up as the Isotunes Xtra 2.0. And then it'll pair up. And all the functions are pretty simple. It just has the plus minus and then the multi-function button that does pretty much everything from power it down, skip songs, go back a song, forward a song, answer calls, and speakerphone. So, yeah, let's get this thing set up. All right, so through some trial and error, I feel like the big dumpy ones work pretty good with my ears. I give them a little squeeze, just to kind of narrow them up. Give them a little bit, let them swell in your ear. And I'm not going to lie, I'm probably talking super loud now. They block out a ton. I had my other plugs in earlier, and I could hear the heater still. This, I don't know if I'm shouting. All right, so I'm trying a video with these things actually turned on. The directions for pairing it was just as simple as that. Go to your Bluetooth, search for the phone, or search for the headphones. After you turn them on, it'll tell you that it's in pairing mode. Simple as that. It'll come up as the Isotunes Xtra 2.0. Click on it. So I'm going to turn this off and see if you're actually still hearing my voice for this recording. Alright, so real world experience with it. I don't know. One of the big pluses on these is supposed to be the microphone, how it picks up your voice over sound, blocks out saw, heater, other ambient sound around. Well, I can't even say ambient, just plain out noise around the shop so you can take phone calls with clients if you're in a production wood shop. So I figured let's set that situation up. And I'm curious for my purposes, recording videos, how it'll sound while I run a saw. So I have this board plenty clamped down. I'm going to stand off to the side also, but I'm just going to take this chop saw and go through this board while I'm talking and see how it overall sounds when I play it back. So hopefully you guys can still keep hearing me. Hopefully all that feels good. And hopefully I can hear it well on the playback. Let's check it out. Alright, so overall, when I was playing back the video, you can hear the saw, but I also had it almost a foot from it. So chances are, I'm going to try another experiment. I'm going to do the same cut, but you guys won't be able to record it. Or maybe I'll try, but I'm going to set the phone off to the side. Just to see if maybe having the phone away changes the situation. Alright, so now it's approximately five and a half feet away from the saw. I'm going to keep talking through the video just to see how the sound transfers over, if it picks up on the microphone on the headset. But yeah, let's try it out. So like I said, I'm just going to make a quick cut, see how it sounds overall. Alright, so overall, for recording and trying to talk, when I kept the phone right next to it, you could still hear me. It lowered my voice. You could still hear the saw for as close as it was. It wasn't horrible. But, yeah, I think we'd have to get like an external microphone, something closer to my face. But not going to be recording while I'm doing the sawing on that. But I can say, for my purposes, the saw becomes mute, like in a way. Obviously, you're still hearing it. I won't pretend like it's gone. But overall, I can just hear it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. They work very well. I highly recommend it. I think they're rated for, it's 27 decibels. Yeah, these things are awesome. I actually am probably going to be ordering another set because, I don't know, I might check out they sell earmuff ones. But, yeah, overall, super pumped, super pumped. Alright, so just showing the box again. Like I said, these were the Isotunes Xtra 2.0. It's actually not 27 decibels. It's 27 noise reduction rating. I figure that possibly equates out to decibels, but I'm not 100% sure. Dust, sweat, waterproof, 11 hours battery life. I mean, from everything I've heard, these things seem to be really awesome. So, like I said, one of the big things, especially for anybody that's on a job site, is the fact that it's OSHA compliant. So, yeah. All right, everyone. So overall, I am more than pleased with these. As you can tell, I'm leaving them in. So I'll make sure this sound works on all these. But yeah, super thumbs up. Isotunes, you rock. Yeah, couldn't be happier. Time to get back to work. As always, thank you, everyone. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. All right, and P.S. After about an hour assessment of these things, listening to a good bit of music and a phone call, if I didn't say it before, they are great. I read some people trying to say that they didn't think it was loud enough. Maybe that was other models. I'm only running them at about maybe 70%. They're loud. I don't need to have it cranked all the way up. They block out the sound so well that you're hearing everything. So phone calls very clear. So reiterating once again, Isotunes, awesome.